We're not supposed to go in here! Stupid! Oh, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. No, we got permission to come to here from our parents.
But if you're not gonna be buying anything,
Oh no, we have money. We have
no,
money.
you can either sit at Starbucks. I don't mind if you sit at Starbucks, but don't go around with my cards. These are for my customers, okay?
Okay.
So I just
Alright.
want to make sure you guys know.
And go put the bag. Okay.
Felicia, call 329, please. Felicia, 329.
I want to see Fiore.
No, but we should buy candy for something. Huh? We should buy candy for something.
Hey, what are we gonna buy? I don't even know what we're gonna buy. Let's go to the candy.
Candy aisle.
Dude, did you even do your hair today? No.
Looks like you.
No, you little bitch.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Maybe I didn't know you would actually do it. I want to jump around you. I know, right? I always do that. Niggas got balls. I never bought this. Like every time.